Hello, little friends. Today we are drawing and painting a cute fish. So let's start to draw. At first, we are draw the fish shape like that. Always remember drawing and painting slowly, otherwise, your drawing will be wrong. Step by step follow how I am drawing. If you follow those steps, then you are also able to draw. You like that. Drawing is so easy. You just need to do practice and practice. Practice will make you perfect. Yay! The cute face is here. Now we are using the dark marker for bordering the fish for the outline. Yay! Wow! How cute the fish! Look at! Thank you, little friends. Bye bye.